for my next installation, I'm going to install the RAM. And first thing to do is we've got four 16 megabyte RAM cards for a total of 64, I'm sorry, not megabyte, gigabyte. Go ahead and pull out these little latches. And you'll note these little notches right in line with my finger. They're not exactly in the center, so you align the notches when you put them in. You can't get it wrong. That's how I like it. It's a lot easier. See, you gotta put it in the slot. Okay, and now when I've got it lined in and started in, and you press down, and you hear that click. That was the latches on both sides that automatically close. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the other three slots. Now if we were only installing a couple of them, you know, right there, now you probably could have seen it better. It tells you there's certain slots. You can't just pick any slots. If you only had two cards, in order to be most efficient, put in particular slots. And the motherboard manual also will tell you which slots, if you only had two. This is DDR4 RAM, runs at 3200 gigahertz, I believe. And the RAM is installed.